I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. My weave. My wig. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm serving you guys corporate Sally, a bit of Rapunzel, Black Barbie, you know. There's a lot going on right here. Initially when I set my 613 unit, I was scared. I looked at the hair and I thought, whoa, like what am I actually going to do with you? But when there's a will, there's a way, clearly, because this is beautiful. This, Tony, outdid yourself, because this is something. This blonde is actually very brown girl friendly. I think my main issue with the hair being 613 when it was sent to me is that I wasn't trying to wear it in that yellow 613 color. I see a lot of girls wear their 613 hair without toning it or without rooting it, and maybe it works for them, but for me, nah, that's not my portion. Rapunzel who? What's another blonde princess? I don't care. Rapunzel who? Barbie who? Tony Kalani. Book. So let me actually get into the important part. The unit was sent to me by EvaWigs. My unit is a 23-inch glueless lace front cap with a 6x6 lace parting area. So this area here extends back 6 inches and it's 6 inches across as well. The hair density is heavy. It is a 613 platinum blonde, or it was a 613 platinum blonde, and this is 100% virgin human hair. The cap size is average and the lace color is blonde. So that was the unit that was sent to me. I'm going to insert a video of the wig when I first got it. The hair is so light. It's so light. I would honestly love if it was a bit thicker, but I guess I'm just used to packing as many bundles as I can on my wig. But this is, you can work with this, you can move it. The unit had, I think, 3 combs in the front. So it had a comb on this side, a comb on this side, and a comb over here. And it has a comb at the back. I took out the combs in the front and kept the one at the back. This is where the 23 inches reach or stop on me. I am 5'4". 23 inches reaches around my waist. The hair moves. In terms of tangling, shedding and matting, the hair has been silky soft from the minute I laid eyes on it, and I'm not even stretching it. I can run my hands through this with ease. Nothing is stopping me. It is smooth, it is silky, it is soft, it is beautiful. This is amazing stuff. But one thing I would say is that with shedding, as the hair is so light, you see exactly where it has shedded. I'm wearing all black today. Like, I'm looking down in my lap and I can see little blonde hairs here and there. The hair will shed, it is weave. Your natural hair sheds. It's not like it's at an alarming rate, but just beware that you will have the odd blonde hair around your house now. Matting, the hair has not matted. It has never ever done such a thing. The hair was really yellow. 613 is quite yellow, and I told myself that I'm not going to be that girl that has yellow hair in the name of it being blonde. Come on, blonde and yellow are 2 completely different colors. So I rooted the hair, and then rather than using a Wella toner, because I am from England, I'm from London, it's hard to get your hands on Wella unless you're trying to spend like £7 per bottle. I just used dye to cool down the tones in the hair. So the dye deposits colour on top, and if you're using cool tone dyes, then it tones the hair at the same time, I think. I like the contrast and how it works in my skin. You can use Wella if you want, but dyeing the hair into the correct tone works as well. This is absolutely beautiful. How I actually applied the dye is I used like a highlighting method. I sectioned the hair row by row and weaved in and out. I used 4 dyes by Clairol, including the root dye. So I'm going to include a picture of the dyes I used. In the back of the unit, you should be able to see that it's significantly darker, and on the top it's more of a baby blonde, a cool ash blonde. I hope you guys are getting the gist of what I tried to do. So how I did it was that I used 3 blonde shades, alright? So let's call shade 1 the darkest. For shade 1, I used that as a main body and I highlighted shade 2 into shade 1, so it's like more shade 1 with highlights of shade 2. And then for the middle to top area, I used shade 2 as the main body and highlighted shade 3 into shade 2. So it's like a transition from dark to lightest. That you can see all the colors, so it's darker in the root area. When picking the dyes for the hair, it's really important to use ash or cool tones so that you're toning the hair at the same time rather than using a warm or a honey, because that would, I feel as though you'd get warm tones out of the hair. This really worked out better than I expected. And for the roots, like I said, it's important to use shades that have ash. You don't want to use a brown, because with brown you can have browns that have a lot of red in them or browns that have a green undertone. My brown I used was an ash brown. Initially the roots were darker, they looked a lot closer to black, but I washed out the hair once. I don't know why, I just felt like washing it. And then the roots, I was left with this color and I am pretty damn pleased. I look like a Barbie, guys. Can we take it in? I've conquered ash blonde. Maybe next I might have a bit of a, I don't know, maybe gold, I don't know. All in all, I am enjoying my time with this hair. Don't be scared to try out something new. I did it and I am about to live my best life through my weave. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. If you have any questions, any queries, if there's anything I haven't mentioned, please drop me a comment below. Bye.